Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Overland in a black metallic exterior. I would like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits of this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first things you'll take notice of is those gorgeous LED headlights with that underlining chrome trim there as well. Right below that, you'll also see that it has beautiful LED running fog lights with some of that black cover panel there. Moving here towards the middle, you'll see that beautiful black grille insert along with the chrome trim. Not to mention that it will also come with tow hooks here in the front for all of your towing needs. And then finally here for that front end, take a look at that beautiful patented chrome Jeep logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now something to appreciate and just take a second to look at are these beautiful black powder coated rims. Before we show you guys this interior, I do just want to point out too that here on your rear view mirrors, you will have turn indicators on the back, as well as blind spot monitoring and detection on the front. Here on your door handles, as long as that key's in your pocket and you press that little spot there, it'll lock and unlock. But let's go ahead and open it up and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful black premium leather interior with some of this white on gray stitching. Not to mention that beautiful Overland logo there engraved in the seats. Turning around here to the dash, it's going to come with that beautiful black dash. It is kind of a leather feel to it with some of that same stitching that's in your seats. Not to mention, you will have some of this chrome trim as well as the wood grain finish here on your dash as well with some of this beautiful blue LED lighting. While we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Jeep, your tire depths all the way around will be 13 and 32 seconds with both your brakes being 15 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, that beautiful premium black leather interior with that gray stitching will stay consistent. Not to mention you will have bucket seats as well as third row seating back here as well. Now let me go ahead and hop in. I will just say that this is one of the most loaded Jeep models I have ever been in. There's a lot to this vehicle. First, we'll start here in the back seat. You will have your own climate control back here, not to mention 2 air vents, 150 watt outlet, as well as 2 USB-C and 2 USB plugins, a small storage compartment out front, 2 cup holders there. And then go ahead and turning around here to the third row, you will have individual cup holders on both sides. Not to mention, you will also have a USB-C and a USB plug-in on both sides as well. Something else I just want to point out as well, you will have these beautiful all-weather lining mats here through the entire vehicle as well. So don't ever worry about your floor mats ever getting ruined. Here at the rear of the vehicle now, a couple of things to be noted back here as well. You will have a hitch and receiver for all of your hauling and towing needs back here as well. Not to mention, it will come with a backup camera. Now, while we're back here, let's go ahead and open this automatic trunk and show you guys this trunk space. Now, I know that you think this is going to be very small, but like I had mentioned, you do have third row seating here as well. So all you have to do is put those down with the automatic buttons here on the right side. Now to put your trunk down, all you'll do is there is a button here located on the left side. All you'll do is press that and it will go down as well. I forgot to mention as well here in the rear, there is another camera that I will show you guys here in a moment what that's for. It is very interesting. Moving along here to the interior features of the vehicle, you will have seat memorization as well as power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and power seat adjustments with a lumbar support adjustment. I forgot to mention here on your rear view mirrors, accompanied by the blind spot monitoring, you will also not have to worry about them ever being frosted up in the wintertime because they are heated. Now that we're inside, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. You'll get a nice little start up here from Jeep on both your middle display and your driver display. And your seat will also move up. Not to mention, this vehicle is going to come with just over 19,000 miles on it. Very low mileage. To the left side of your steering wheel, you will have all of your headlight adjustments as well as the brightness to your driver display and your middle display. Your parking brake is also located down there below. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be your turn signals as well as your high beams, low beams. The right side will be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel will be your middle display as well as your touch to talk options. And on the right side, you'll have your cruise control as well as some different options there for that as well. Coming here over into the middle of the vehicle, it will come with a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready navigation. And as I mentioned before, it will come with a backup camera as well. Now, I mentioned earlier about how there was an extra camera in the back, and I do just want to show you guys what that's actually for. You don't have a regular rear view mirror. You can switch it to normal. However, it will come with that video portion of your rear view mirror. So even if you have stuff blocking your view on the interior, you will still be able to see the rear. Up top of your touchscreen display, you will have some different options for your lane assist as well as your traction control and the parking assist, not to mention your four ways that are there as well. Right below your large touchscreen display, you'll have some of your manual options as well as your climate control at the touch of your fingertips. Not to mention your steering wheel is heated and your front seats are heated and cooled as well. Now, I am going to open this storage compartment, and my phone is in there for a reason. I just want to show you guys there that there is a charging portion to this vehicle. But other than that, up front you will have two USB-C, two USB, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt plug-in there as well. You'll have your shifter here as well as your different mode options, as well as the height of your vehicle, which you can lower and raise there. You will have your four-wheel drive low there option, some other options here on the right, not to mention another small storage compartment back here with your two cup holders. And then your center console is going to be another two-part center console up top, or holding the upper handle and pulling up. You will have a small storage compartment up top, and holding the lower one, you will have a larger, deeper center console there. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have a sunglass holder up front. You will have your options for a light on your driver and passenger side. You'll have the option to open and close your automatic trunk, not to mention your SOS and your OnStar Assist, I apologize. And then you will also have the option to open and close your panoramic sunroof. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 5.7 liter V8 FOHV 16V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, I do typically say about how you will have a lot of stone chips, and the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. However, there are just a couple of small stone chips here in the front. You will have a slight mark and imperfection here underneath the headlight. Coming along here to the driver's side, these rims are all in beautiful, perfect condition. Coming back here towards the body side of things, there are no scratches, no marks, no dings along the body. Coming back here towards the trunk, once again, there are going to be a couple of small imperfections here along your trunk, especially a little mark taken out there. Coming around to the driver's side, once again, this body has no scratches, no marks, no dings. This is an extremely clean 2021. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Overland. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com, or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA.